Okay, so I need to give y'all a little update on this thing. This car has actually been down for about like 2 or 3 weeks. Nothing mechanically was wrong with it, but I actually, as I was leaving U of H, I got rear-ended. Out of all cars, a Mustang. I was mad for about a whole like 3 seconds, and then I realized insurance is gonna take care of me. Like, I'm gonna get like new OEM parts, and so that's exactly what happened. I took it over to Imperial Collision. Oh my God, dude, it looks immaculate. Put 2 little tabs over it, and I plan on getting like some sort of like thing that I can like screw in like down here where it'll like come up.
Okay, cool.
Like, cause I don't like the front plate. Oh my God, though, that looks, dude, that looks really good. Door 2, oh my God.
You got both your fenders covered, so the fenders are painted.
Yes, they are.
No more dullness.
Yeah, I remember they were dull like right here. Now, oh my God, that is great.
They did have to blend onto that door, so they removed the sticker.
Yeah, I know, because Gabe told me that they were gonna do the door too, and I was like,
yeah,
you know, that's fun. Oh my God, I'm so happy with this. Let me walk y'all through it. This door repainted, it had some dents in it, and Butch went ahead and took them out and got this whole thing repainted for me. This whole side panel repainted as well. Repainted as well. New front bumper, I'm gonna get tabs for that. And look at these lights, oh my God, brand new lights. Oh. I'm so happy with this thing. And, Butch, you're the best. Yes. Did I record the sticker install? I think it was a job well done. So I put Instagram sticker on, and then I also put YouTube sticker on as well on this side, and as well as this side. I'm really glad I put them on, you know, branding is everything. So now I got YouTube logos on the rear panels on the left and right side, and then I got the Instagram, and it's already surprising because I went to Coffee and Cars, and I went to another Coffee and Cars in Cyprus. It just 2 shows, and I managed to get some subscribers from that, and I managed to get some Instagram followers from that who saw the Instagram little logo with my username, and same with YouTube. So it was, I was really doing it for that purpose, but I wasn't really sure how well or how fast it was gonna work, but it's already working, so I am really glad I did that. And, another issue I've been talking on and off, if you've been watching the past videos, is I've had thoughts that my rear main seal is leaking. About 1 or 2 months ago, I hosted like a rally, like a fun run, just for a select group of people. We went to the Pro World Challenge. And on my way back, I don't know how it happened, the oil filler cap, it had come off. And luckily enough, after the run, I just kind of checked in my engine bay. And that's the thing, like, there were no problems with the car. It wasn't idling weird, I mean, it was just running normal. But I opened the engine bay and I saw that it wasn't there. And luckily, it was just sitting right behind the engine on some wires and stuff. So I put it back on, but like the whole engine bay was just dirty with oil and everything. So I thought I had a rear main seal leak because that's pretty much the lowest point of the car, and the oil had all kind of like, there was still a lot of engine oil like on different parts of the engine, but it was all slowly making its way down to where the transmission met the engine, and it was just kind of dripping off there. So I had some spots under where, I parked my car, and I thought it was this rear main seal leak, but whenever I took it to Imperial and I got my car back, it cleaned up the whole engine bay and everything, because partly what was damaged was the hood, so I got my hood repainted, so they really had to clean all that up. And I've noticed that whenever I got it back, there hasn't been any oil. It was leaking from right here, so I figured, okay, that's a rear main seal. But now it's kind of, whenever I got under the car, I kind of cleaned it up, but the car hasn't leaked any since. So I don't know what that could be. There's no other signs of oil leaks. Yeah, I don't need to take off my transmission and put a new rear main seal on. I was low-key excited about that because I really wanted to throw a new clutch on it as well. And maybe lightweight flywheel, I don't know. I was looking at the Pro Light one, but my flywheel on the AP1s are 12 pounds already, and the Pro Light be 8 pounds, just really light. My flywheel's light enough already. I mean, 8's kind of, overkill. And I really don't even track yet. I mean, really, right now it's just kind of an autocrossing. But I am hoping to do a lot more track, not this month. I know I'm going to track at COTA this summer, and I'm going to be tracking a couple times at MSR this summer as well. MSR is a track here in Houston, or like it's a little bit outside of Houston, but I'm really going to try to start tracking a bit more with this car. Autocross is fun, it's great, but there's nothing like tracking. As far as the next step, I don't know. I've been thinking about some suspension because I have upgraded tires, upgraded wheels, I got an upgraded air intake, but before I jump into just throwing a bunch of power mods at it, I really think I should throw some suspension at it, just because I don't feel like I've mastered the car, even with the power that I have already. There's still a lot of room for me to learn. I do feel like even at autocrossing, there have been times where some of the guys, some of the MX-5s, like the MX-5s or whatever, they'll get a faster time than me, even though they don't have as much power as me. They're doing better just because they have a better suspension setup. They're running better, stiffer control arms. They're running stiffer anti-roll bars, and they really know like the amount of toe and caster they're comfortable with. And I don't. I do feel like that having some upgraded suspension will definitely do me some justice on the track. Don't get me wrong, I still want to throw a shitload of power at this car, but you know, I kind of want to do it the right way. I'd much rather be a great driver with hardly any power than a shitty driver with a lot of power. So that's kind of the route that I'm looking at and everything. But yeah, that's kind of an S2000 update. I'm hoping to get a couple of car reviews in this and next week. Still trying to figure out some of the owners. But it's coming this month and this summer. Yeah, I'm excited. But anyways, thank you all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Ugh.